Welcome back to HomeStar Inspections. My name's Toby. There is somebody in the attic that is trying to break into the house. You all right? You all right?
I'm okay, but you have ducks in here.
Ducks?
Yeah.
Like the quack quack?
Yeah.
Like Daffy or?
Yeah, right there.
Really? Live?
Yeah, like. You got fucking rats, you got raccoons or possums.
I'll show you where they're coming in from.
Yeah, I'm
Attic
looking
has
at this
ducks.
thing and I moved. That's what I was feeding the wood to make it shake. Yeah, they're right there.
That's funny. All right, so we'll go ahead and show you a little duck action here. Bear with me for a second. Make sure I'm safely traversing these trusses here. Oh, there's one right there. Thousands of inspections. First duck in an attic. That is hilarious. Now, I've been in an attic. Almost every attic has ducks, right? D-U-C-T-S. This is the first attic that has D-U-C-K-S. Never a dull moment. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.